Congratulations, Novatech. Now, allow me to introduce our next presenter, Johnny Helmberger, Sales Manager for Comcast Business Class. Johnny.
Thanks, Paul. Collaboration is at the very heart of what we do each and every day. When we interact, we are better able to solve problems, serve our customers, find new partners, and most importantly, give birth to new ideas. The finalists in this year's Innovative Collaboration category have built partnerships that will help make Minnesota's workforce smarter and globally competitive.
The finalists for Innovative Collaboration of the Year are Maverick Software Consulting Partnership, Normandale Community College and Foundation, and Ties.
And the award goes to Maverick Software Consulting Partnership. Accepting the award this evening is founder and president Martin Habig.
Maverick Software Consulting, Minnesota State Colleges and Universities, Advance IT Minnesota, Thomson Reuters, and Digital River have created a first-of-its-kind Academia Meets Corporate America partnership. The collaboration provides corporate partners with top student talent as a successful, proven option for cost-effective software development and testing services. It also provides students real-world experience working in the field with cutting-edge technology and typically a job offer prior to graduation. This partnership expands Minnesota's technology-based economy by creating a motivated, skilled, and productive workforce. Congratulations, Maverick Software Consulting Partnership.